Hi friends, today we're going to look at how we add fractions, and our objective says, how do I add fractions? Well, here's a couple of things that we can look at to help us adding fractions. So we need to know how to find common denominators, which I know you all have mastered, and find equivalent fractions, and we have done lots of practice with that also. And last, we need to know how to add. So we are going to work with these two fractions, 5/10ths and 40/100ths. Now the first thing I'm noticing is that our denominators are different. So we need to do something about that. We need to find common denominators. And I have some steps listed below that we're going to use to help us add these fractions together. So first we're going to look at the denominators to see if they are alike, which they are not, like I just stated. So we need to find a common denominator. We're going to circle the larger denominator because I know that 10 and 100 are multiples of each other. And we can ask ourselves, what is the missing factor to make the denominators equivalent? Well, I know that 10 times 10 equals 100. Now, step 4 says, write the factor as a number sentence. Well, here it is. 10 times 10 equals 100. Step 5, bring the factor up to the numerator and multiply. My factor is times 10. I'm going to bring that up. 5 times 10 equals 50. So now I have a new fraction that I can work with, 50/100. So I'm going to rewrite that. 5/10ths, another way to say that, using hundredths, is 50/100ths plus 40/100ths. Now I notice that my denominators are the same, which is how we can add the fractions in number 6. So I can automatically put down 100 as my denominator because I know they're going to stay the same. Because really what we're looking at is one big pizza pie that's split into 100 pieces. And Alicia has 50 of those pieces, and Jordan has 40 of those pieces. So we need to say, of the 100 pieces in that pizza pie, how many together do Alicia and Jordan have? So we look at our numerators. 50 plus 40 equals 90 out of 100. And you did it. That's all there is to it. 90/100ths as your answer. So don't forget that we're using some skills that we know already. Common denominators and equivalent fractions. Good luck.